outbreak in a it continued till the 1918. Question is the Second World War. It was begin in which year? Second World War. 1900. If the first has occurred on 14, the second occurred in 1912. What a logic. Poor in a maths. It's very bad. Yes, Navkaran Singh.
सर एंड हुई थी 1945 में, बिगिनिंग का नहीं पता।
1939. Second World War began in 1939. 1939 और end 45 में हुआ जब Japan it withdrawal from the Second World War. When the US has attacked, nuclear bombs exploded in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Afterwards, the Japan withdrawal from the Second World War. Germany already withdrawal in 1943. 1943 with the death of Hitler. Hitler committed a suicide. Afterwards, Germany withdrawal from the Second World War. Japan, it was only as a country which continued the Second World War till 1945. जब वो attacks हुए उसके बाद उसने भी withdraw कर दिया. So say 1945. So during this tenure of a world wars, time period of the world wars, a large number of war equipments, especially as the uniforms, these were supplied by that industry, such industries which were located by the Britishers in Bombay and Ahmedabad. Rhythm clear? Second, India's second cotton textile. हाँ जी, प्रॉफिट्स कमा सकते हैं. वेरी गुड. So during the First World War, a large number of war equipments, uniforms, these were supplied by the cotton mills which were located by the Britishers in a parts of Bombay and Ahmedabad. Bombay and Ahmedabad. These industries economically also supported for the war equipments, purchasing of war equipments, because at that time the most number of Indians were sent towards a foreign to represent the Britishers. Indian soldiers recruited in a British army, they sent towards Europe to represent the Britishers. Represent Britishers. Next is the second part of a chapter, iron smelters, iron smelting. Weavers part done. The first aspect of a chapter done, weavers. Role of a cotton textiles, how they evolved, how they declined during as a British period, and afterwards due to the re-industrialization, how does as a newer industries came into existence. Clear? Second as the iron smelters. Iron smelters. In this process, the first iron and steel industry of India, it was located at Jamshedpur. Jamshedpur. Jamshedpur, India's first cotton textile industry, iron and steel industry, which was named as a TISCO. TISCO. Tata Iron and Steel Company. CO Company. Odisha. Jamshedpur, Odisha. Presently, it's in borders of Jharkhand and Odisha. Jamshedpur. Tata Iron Steel Company in 1907 by J.N. Tata. J.N. Tata. Jamshedji Nusarwanji Tata. Tata. J.N. Tata. Jamshedji Nusarwanji Tata set up as the first industry, first iron and steel industry. Iron and steel industry. Yes. Manmeet. Steel is an example of. Are you Manmeet? Manmeet. Steel is an example of metal. Steel is a metal. Steel is a metal. But the metals having as a magnetic properties. Steel की होती है, और ये कहते हैं होती है. Furnace. Blast furnace. Through the process of smelting. Process of smelting, the impurities of iron ore separated. Impurities of iron ore separated. The use of alloys, not in a recent in time, not in a colonial period, from age-old historical background, such alloys were used in Indian history. Stand up, last bench. पीछे चलो, पीछे मिटा. Control your hands. So in Indus Valley civilization, there are the materials are extracted to the Indus Valley civilization where the people were familiar with the use of a bronze. Bronze, B-R-O-N-Z-D. Same as during the medieval period, Tipu Sultan, it was used as a kind of a metal in their sword, which is known as a Woods, W-O-O-T-Z, Woods steel. Gantas, हम यहाँ हैं. Steel means people were familiar the smelting of a process and making of the alloys. Making of alloys. Such system it was as a familiar. During the colonial period, there was a tribal community was named as a Agarias. A-G-A-R-I-A-S. A-G-A-R-I-A-S. Agarias were known for the smelting of iron. After the smelting of iron, they were exported such materials towards the other parts of the country. Agarias of Central India, they were familiar with the use of smelting, the processes of smelting, in which they separated the impurities of iron ore. When iron ore has heated up at the 400 degrees Celsius temperature, iron ore heated up 400 degrees Celsius temperature. Under such circumstances, the molten form of iron is separated from the rocks. That molten form of iron is known as pig iron. Pig iron. It can be molded in any of the shapes. For example, Guntas are sitting on a bench. Pipes, rods, sheets. इस शेप्स में उसे मोल्ड किया जा सकता है. पिग आयरन. यस प्रियांश. फेमिलियर टू यूज. हाँ जी. पिग आयरन. P-I-G. Familiar to use iron ore in alloys. Iron ore in alloys. During the 19th century, Europeans were attracted towards a wood steel, Woods, W-O-O-T-Z, Woods steel, which was used in electrical appliances, generally iron ore extracted in India, iron ore extracted in India. यहाँ जो चीज रह जाती है उसको आगे वाला लिखो, फिर मैं आपकी बात सुनता हूं, फिर आप वो भी छोड़ देते हैं, ये भी छोड़ देते हैं, फिर बैठ जाते हैं. क्लियर? इफ आपका कुछ बाय मिस्टेक रह जाता है आप उसे छोड़ो, आगे बढ़ो, बाकी कंटिन्यूस में चल रहे हैं, फिर आपकी बात सुनी जाती है, फिर आप पूछ सकते हैं हाँ ये रह गया था मेरा। वो एक सिस्टम है, आप वहीं छोड़ देते सबको, ना जी होता रहे। आपके अगेंस्ट में यहाँ 30 सफर करते हैं फिर। ठीक है, अब बोलो बोलो प्रियांश, बोलो क्या रह गया। 19th century, Britishers attracted towards the wood steel, which was used in electrical appliances, comma, WOOTZ, STEEL, दोनों के बीच में स्पेस है। Wood steel, it was, sorry, electrical appliances, arms and ammunitions, arms and ammunitions. At that time, iron ore extracted from Korba, 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 Jharia, JHARIA, Ratnagiri, RATNA, ठीक है, RATNA, GIRI, very good, etc. Britishers used iron. They used iron in spinning jenny, SPINNING, and jenny, JENNY, spinning jenny. They used iron for manufacturing a spinning jenny, which was largely used by the craftsperson, for manufacturing of Akshat dash, complete the blank. Akshat said, complete the blank. Yes, textiles, clothes, weavers की बात हो रही है. Wake up, Akshat. चलो अब, so what were the conditions responsible for growth of TISCO, the location of TISCO at Jamshedpur? So what were the reasons responsible for the growth of TISCO in Jamshedpur? What were the reasons responsible for location of TISCO in Jamshedpur? वहां पर ports ज्यादा हैं. Very good. What were the reasons responsible for the location of a TISCO in Jamshedpur? So, what circumstances responsible for the Jamshedpur developed as a location of TISCO? First, second over. Shall we go? First, availability of a raw iron ore, availability of iron ore, raw नहीं आएगा, iron ore from adjoining areas of West Bengal, adjoining areas of West Bengal, Odisha, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal, Bihar, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh. Thank you. Second, cheaper availability of labor, from Bangladesh and adjoining states. Third, availability of coal used as a source of energy for smelting purposes, source of energy for smelting. Third. Fourth, next point, nearness of Calcutta port. At that time it was as a Calcutta. Nearness of Calcutta and Visakhapatnam ports. Calcutta ports supported export of iron towards Southeastern Asian countries. Export towards the Southeastern Asian countries. Next condition. Concentration of agarias in central parts of country. Concentration of agaria community, tribals in a central parts of country. Supplied smelted iron. Availability of water. Next. Smelted iron. Next. Availability of water from river Subarnarekha. Subarnarekha and Damodar. Subarnarekha and Damodar. Subarnarekha and Damodar. Subarnarekha and Damodar. Damodar. Damodar supplied water for cooling of iron. Water for cooling of iron, जिसको 400 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे गर्म करना है उसे ठंडा भी करना पड़ेगा. Cooling of iron. Next, dry and hot weather conditions. Dry and hot weather conditions. Dry and hot weather conditions. Hot and dry weather conditions. Protected iron from rust. Humid areas में नहीं लगाई जा सकती. Protected iron from rust. It protected iron from rust. कितने हो गए? बहुत. Availability of water from the river Subarnarekha and Damodar supplied for cooling of iron after smelting. Yes, Jayant. Any shapes. That iron is a pig iron, bolted form of iron which has separated from the rocks after smelting. After smelting is known as pig iron. Pig iron. Agaria generally heated up the iron ore at a high temperature. Under such circumstances, the molten form of iron separated from the rocks. That iron was known as the pig iron. It can use for to mold in any shapes. Anybody else? Any other? Yes, offline. Any questions? Saksham Meda, any question? Saksham Meda, any question? No? Guntas, ask your query to Saksham.